Hello. In this video, I will show you how to access and create your Aportfolio. It's a very simple process, and we'll go through it step by step. Begin by going to aportfolio.appstate.edu. This is the Aportfolio site for AppState. You can find information and support links along with additional tutorials for customizing your ePortfolios. To access your Aportfolio site, click the Login to Aportfolio link. Use your AppState username and password to log in. Click Sign In. Please note, if this is your first time accessing the Aportfolio site, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. You are required to agree to both the Digication Terms of Service and the AppState Computer Use Policy. It is always recommended that you read the Terms of Service before you check I agree. The bottom line is, you are the owner of everything you post on your Aportfolio, and you are responsible for honoring our academic integrity code, as well as being mindful of copyright and citation requirements when you reference or reproduce the works of others. After reading the terms and conditions, select I accept and I agree. This is your Aportfolio homepage. Here you can see all the Aportfolios you have created, as well as any courses, assignments, or communities that you are involved in. To create a new Aportfolio, click on the Create button. This is the settings page for your Aportfolio. Here you can give your Aportfolio a title, choose a template, decide on privacy settings, and more. You can always come back and change these settings in the future. First, I'm going to give my Aportfolio a name. I can have as many ePortfolios as I would like, so I want to give each ePortfolio a unique name. I'm going to name this portfolio Sample. Next, I'm going to choose a template. The Create from Scratch template is a blank template that offers a lot of creativity and flexibility. The Appalachian template has a few basic pages created for you, which you can alter as you see fit. Today, I'm going to choose the Appalachian template. Next, I'm going to select the privacy settings for my Aportfolio. There are several different options to choose from depending on the audience of your Aportfolio. Always begin by selecting Private to Me. There is also an option to keep your portfolio private within AppState. This allows all AppState users to view your Aportfolio. The last option is Public. If you select Public, this means your Aportfolio is searchable on Google. Do not select this option until you have completed a professional Aportfolio that is proofread, polished, and approved by an ASU faculty member in your major. We recommend you select Private to Me as the initial setting. Next, click on the Custom Permissions link. If you create an Aportfolio for a course, you will use this area to search for your course. I'll show you that in a later tutorial. You will also notice here there is a checkbox that says Show ePortfolio in Directory. The Show in Directory option is for Aportfolios you want all AppState users to be able to view. When your Aportfolio has been proofread and is ready to share, then you can add it to the directory. For now, click on the checkbox to deselect this option. The next section is tagging. Tagging allows you to tag an ePortfolio with relevant topics. This allows others to search for ePortfolios that have certain tags. Let's select Do Not Allow Tags. Remember, you can always change this if you want to include tags and make your ePortfolio searchable. Aportfolio can be used like a blog and does allow comments. For our academic purposes, we are going to select Allow Comments from No One. Once you are done fine-tuning your settings, click on the Create New ePortfolio button, and you are finished. Remember, you can always change the settings of your Aportfolio. To change the settings, go to Portfolio Tools and click on Settings. This will take you back to your Aportfolio settings page, and you can make all the changes you would like. When you are finished making changes, click Save. You are now ready to work in your new Aportfolio. In our next tutorial, we'll be going over the structure of Aportfolio, as well as the sections, pages, and modules.